The United Arab Emirates, UAE, a global business hub, offers myriad lucrative opportunities for entrepreneurs and investors. With its strategic geographic location, robust infrastructure, and thriving economy, the UAE provides a fertile ground for business growth. Here, we explore smart and strategic approaches to maximize an investment of $100,000, with a goal to reach the $1 million mark within a year. Invest in real estate. The UAE, notably Dubai and Abu Dhabi, boasts a dynamic real estate market. An investment in commercial properties or luxury residential spaces can yield significant returns. Vacation rentals also offer lucrative returns given the country's thriving tourism industry. Property flipping, buying, refurbishing, and selling properties at a profit could also be an effective strategy. However, it's crucial to thoroughly understand the local real estate market dynamics and legalities before investing. Dive into e-commerce. Online shopping has witnessed an extraordinary surge in the UAE, a trend that has further accelerated post-pandemic. Launching an e-commerce store targeting high-demand products or niches could provide impressive profits. Another approach could be to strategically invest in a successful e-commerce platform, aiding its expansion while securing a share of the growing pie. Enter the food and beverage sector. The diverse population and booming tourism industry in the UAE fuel a robust food and beverage industry. Opening a restaurant or cafe with a unique concept or tapping into the growth of food delivery services could offer sizable returns. Be sure to conduct extensive market research to identify preferences and trends. Tech startups. The UAE government is actively fostering a technology-driven economy. Investing in or launching a tech startup, particularly those specializing in AI, blockchain, or IoT solutions, can be highly rewarding. Also, consider entering the fintech or health tech sectors, as they are poised for substantial growth. Logistics and supply chain management. Given the UAE's strategic position as a global trading hub, businesses focusing on logistics and supply chain management have high growth potential. These could include freight forwarding, warehousing, or courier services that facilitate trade within the region and beyond. Venture into tourism and hospitality. The UAE's vibrant tourism sector presents vast business opportunities. Consider investing in travel agencies, tour guide companies, or event management firms. Alternatively, launching a business that offers unique travel experiences or luxury hospitality services could cater to the high-end tourist market. Healthcare services. The growing population and rising healthcare demands in the UAE open doors for private healthcare services. Private clinics, pharmacies, or even innovative health tech solutions could be profitable ventures. Achieving the ambitious goal of elevating $100,000 to $1 million within a year necessitates strategic thinking, risk-taking, and impeccable execution. While this is a high-risk target and most businesses need time to mature and yield high profits, making informed decisions based on extensive market research, a keen understanding of the competitive landscape, and a well-crafted business plan increases the chances of success. Engaging business advisors or investment professionals can provide valuable insights and guidance. Remember, diversifying your investment across different sectors can also be an effective risk management strategy. In the dynamic business environment of the UAE, the right mix of knowledge, strategy, and action can yield significant rewards.